小朋友你们好今天要跟你们讲一个 Trolls 的故事，魔法精灵这个故事叫 The Sound of Spring 春天的声音。 It's a warm spring night in Troll Village. All the trolls are sleeping except one. 这是一个温暖的春天夜晚，在魔法村里所有的精灵都在睡觉，除了一个。Branch is wide awake. Branch 很清醒。He hears something. 他听见了一些动静。What's that sound? 那是什么声音呢？ It sounds like chirping. 听起来像小鸟在叫。Is there a bird in the house? 家里有小鸟吗？ Branch looks around. No bird. Branch 看了周围一下。没有小鸟啊。In the morning, Branch still hears chirping. 早上起来 Branch 还是听到小鸟的叫声。He checks the village. 他到村里溜达看看。He cannot find what is making the sound. 他找不到声音的来源。The chirping is driving him crazy.这个鸟叫声快让他疯掉了。Branch asks Cloud Guy if he hears the sound. Branch 问 Cloud Guy 有没有听到这个声音。Cloud Guy listens. Cloud Guy 试着听。He hears the chirping too. 他也听到小鸟叫了。He asks Branch if he is making the sound. 他问 Branch是不是你自己弄出来的声音？ Branch says no. Branch 说不是他。Cloud Guy says Branch must be chirping. Cloud Guy 说一定是 Branch 在学鸟叫。Branch says I am not chirping. Branch 说我没有在学鸟叫。Branch thinks Cloud Guy is playing a trick on him.Branch 觉得 Cloud Guy 在捉弄他。He is angry. 他很生气。He chases Cloud Guy through the woods. 他追着 Cloud Guy 在树林里面跑。Poppy sees her friends. Poppy 看见她的朋友们啦。She asks them what's wrong. 她问他们怎么啦。Branch tells Poppy about the chirping.Branch 跟 Poppy 讲了这个鸟声。Poppy listens closely. Poppy 仔细一听。She knows where the sound is coming from. 她听出声音是从哪里发出来啦。Poppy reaches into Branch's hair and pulls out an egg. Poppy 把手伸进 Branch 的头发里面，拿出来一个蛋。That is where the chirping is coming from.这就是声音的来源。A bird must have laid an egg in Branch's hair. 一定是一只鸟在 Branch 的头发里面生了一只蛋。Poppy says the egg is about to hatch. Poppy 说这只蛋快要孵化了。A bird comes out of the egg. 一只小鸟从蛋里面出来啦。It sings a song. 它在唱歌。Poppy and Branch sing too. Poppy 和 Branch 也在唱歌啦。The little bird's mother hears her baby singing. 小鸟的妈妈听到鸟宝宝在唱歌。She comes right away. 她马上飞过来啦。They fly off together. 他们一起飞走啦。Everyone waves goodbye.大家一起挥手说再见。Branch misses the birds chirping a little, but not too much. Branch 有一点点想念小鸟的叫声啦，只是一点点。好，那接下来我们再听一次完整的英文版。Hi guys, it's Auntie Ann. Today we're going to read a troll story, and it's called The Sound of Spring by David Lewman.Illustrated by Fabio Laguna. It is a warm spring night in Troll Village. All the trolls are sleeping except one. Branch is wide awake. He hears something. What's that sound? It sounds like chirping. Is there a bird in the house? Branch looks around. No bird! In the morning, Branch still hears chirping. He checks the village. He cannot find what is making the sound. The chirping is driving him crazy. Branch asks Cloud Guy if he hears the sound. Cloud Guy listens. He hears the chirping too. He asks Branch if he is making the sound. Branch says no. Cloud Guy says Branch must be chirping. Branch says, I am not chirping. Branch thinks Cloud Guy is playing a trick on him. He's angry. He chases Cloud Guy through the woods. Poppy sees her friends. She asks them what's wrong. Branch tells Poppy about the chirping. Poppy listens closely. She knows where the sound is coming from. Poppy reaches into Branch's hair and pulls out an egg. That is where the chirping is coming from. A bird must have laid an egg in Branch's hair. Poppy says the egg is about to hatch. A bird comes out of the egg. It sings a song. Poppy and Branch sing too. The little bird's mother hears her baby singing. She comes right away. They fly off together. Everyone waves goodbye. Branch misses the birds chirping a little, but not too much. The end. 好啦，今天的故事就到这里啦，希望你们喜欢，拜拜。